Testing 1, 2. Is this thing working? We're doing an audio test because I just got a new microphone. Hopefully you can't see it. Can you see it? We're back here with the tropics. I'm back in net. I'm not playing player tonight. I know everyone's all upset that I'm not playing player because I'm so good. Yeah, I became goalie to player to team captain as player. Just kidding. Yeah, I'm playing goalie tonight, back in net. We're playing the Phantoms tonight, I think. Phantoms are a pretty good team this year. I'm going to keep it simple in the net, like how I always do, or try to do. I'm not going to go too crazy. Make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't, and comment on the videos. Oh, it's the kook slams.
We'll test the audio later.
Look how small it is.
See how it goes.
This was a Christmas present from Kaylee Baby. She hooked it up. Thought it would sound more official and more.
I figured we needed a little upgrade.
And more professional to have one of these bad boys. Also, the Cowboys sucked today. They lost to the Green Bay Packers. The Lions are playing the Rams right now, but we're missing the game. So hopefully the Rams lose because I want Detroit to win. Jared Goff deserves to make it to the next round. Detroit waited 30 years to make it to the playoffs. They need to make it. I'm going to put the GoPros up in the net. I will see you guys out in the ice.
Bye. Surprise! Let's go!
It won't. The screw's rusted.
You want a sledgehammer? Give me a sledgehammer.
Hang on.
Crazy things happening here this evening.
I got it wet. Hey! Not too hard, don't break it. You have to go too hard, just a little above. That's fine. All right. We'll solve the problem.
Good job. Also, in the stand.
Oh my god, my legs are gassed right now.
Good job, Boba. I mean, no, you.
It's gonna happen on that end too.
Dude, hey, Trevor,
Boba would mean to
it's so slow. The puck coming at me. Hold it. The Beer League Bender just scored to break the ice. It's 1-0. 9 minutes left in the first period. I got that assist, right? We just scored. It's 2-1. 18 minutes left in the second period. We just scored again. It's 3-1. 17 and a half minutes left in the second period. We just scored again. It's 4-1. 15 minutes left in the second period. Yo, these post days, I don't know if that winning or not. We just scored. It's 5-1. 5 minutes and 30 seconds left in the second period. Yeah, we just scored. It's 6-1. It's 22 seconds left in the second period. Damn it. He's just gonna let it get deflected, huh? Okay. Sick. We just scored. It's 7-4, 13 minutes left in the third period. No, you didn't. It was loose.
I would have saved it though.
You made the good. Rustin was ready, man. What a save. That was crazy. I got lucky. You make all those saves with that angle. I thought he was going high. Fuck. I thought he was going high, so I didn't go down. That was a bad move on my part. That's the pegs. They're fucking dollar store pegs.
God damn it, dude.
Make the move! Make the move! Like, are you fucking kidding me, dude? There are like two guys in front of the net. They got 2D staring at them. Come on. Empty net to make it 8-6. I'm so tired. That's game.
So good.
Sunday, it's the end of the weekend.
Amazing job, Trevor.
He's so cute.
Thank you.
Date. The Lions won.
Yeah, they won.
Let's go. That was.
You didn't get the dog video.
You did it.
I was so tired.
That was a good game.
Oh my god,
That
it was a
50.
57 shots.
I'm so proud of you.
Oh my god.